Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. Let's just hop right into the charts. Okay, now this is the US100 chart. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's turn on our lines. Here they are. These blue lines are the previous day opening gap, and and the previous day opening gap and the previous day low. Sorry, my mistake. This is the previous day high. This blue line. This is the previous day low, and this is the new week opening gap. As you can know, this it's Monday today, so there was from Friday to Sunday. Mostly markets open late in Sunday. As you can see, price has been pumping a lot. It has taken all this liquidity over here. I would very much expect a retracement into these bullish FEGs. Plus, also this gap hasn't been fulfilled. It's still open. Let's take a little look at the weekly chart. Look, this weekly candle is very bullish. I do expect a retracement down here. Also, this gap is also open, so that's why. Let's go to the 4 hours. As you can see, as you can see, 4 hour closes in well, approximately 27 minutes. The previous 4 hour candle was kind of an indecision candle. If this candle closes with a strong thick with bearish, it might go down. It's currently in the bullish FEG. As you can see here, there's a bullish FEG from here till here. It's probably going to tap that, but let's see if it rejects from it or violates it and goes down completely. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. As you can see in the 1 hour it looks bearish. It can probably go down here. As you can see here, there's a gap open. It hasn't been tapped. It hasn't been touched. There's also a market structure shift in 1 hour, as you can see here. But there's also a bullish FEG here and here, from here till here. So it can tap and reject from it, or it can violate it completely. We're gonna wait till 9:45 to do anything. The first 15 minutes are very, as you can say, manipulative or choppy. So if you're a new trader, it's better to wait for the first 15 minutes or even the first 30 minutes of market opening. Let's go down to the 15 minutes. As you can see, 15 minutes, it also seems to be crashing. This candle hasn't closed yet, so we can't say probably. Our sell side target would be this. To be honest, I would be looking for a sell here. Let's go down to the 1 minute. Price is now below the previous day high. You can see this is the 9:30 candle. Volatility has started. There's a very big chance it might go down here, fill up that gap and retrace back up. Let's look at these levels on the daily. Yeah, it can definitely do that. So I'm gonna wait on the 1 minute and see if I can find a trade. We'll just wait here. Price has made few bearish effigies over here. Let's see what it does. We're gonna wait till 45 and then think about taking a trade, not before that. It's digging into that bearish effigy over here, as you can see. To be honest, I really think it's gonna go down, but I'm gonna wait for the higher time frame candle to close. Let's just wait for it. 4 minutes left, approximately 12:45. There's there are also two bearish FPGs made on the 5-minute chart. Let's see. — 1 minute and 30 seconds left for the 15-minute candle to close. We should look for a trade after 9:45. So let's see how does the higher time frame candles end, and then look for a trade. Okay, 1 minute left now. That candle has closed bearish. 15-minute candle. To be honest, I'm gonna sell now. You can find an entry 65 right here. Whoa. Now it's digging up into that FPG. I'm gonna wait and see how does that candle close. I'm gonna still wait for it. I'm gonna wait and see. I'll wait and see how does this kind of goes, and if I like it or not. Close was kind of good. Total 15 minutes. This could be our target at 546. I'm gonna be selling now. My SL will be over here. My TP will be right over here. Let's see. In a little red now. Let's wait for it. It's 15 minutes. It seems it has tapped into this bullish FEG right here, as you can see. And the 1 hour FEG too, right here. I'm gonna wait for it. Go to the 1 minute. If it breaks through here, like goes till 560 with a bearish FEG, I'm gonna then trail my SL. Now all we have to do is wait for it. But I waited for the 104 close. I think of the chances of it hitting this are very high. 104 will also close in around 7 minutes. To be honest, I would love to see some downward momentum right here, like a big red candle. Well, sure, according to my chart settings, black. I'm not liking this. Come on, man. Crash a little. I want a big, thick black candle. Like really, I wanted to close this today, 5 at 9, but we don't always get what we want. Let's see. Still gonna be holding it. Bring it little drawdown now. Let's just wait for it. It did close the Fiji, but next candle and got quickly. Very good measurements. I would love to see some downward momentum. I don't like this holding out. Almost 4 minutes left till the 1 hour close. It has moved against our position very much. Not liking what I'm seeing. To be honest, now there's a chance that Russell might get hit. a little above the previous day high. Let's see. I'm still gonna be holding out. Almost 2 minutes left till the 1 hour and 4 hour close. As you can see, wow, that was a replacement. Come on, man. Don't do this to me. He might hit. Our vessel might get hit before the close. I'll wait it out. Here's the 4 hour chart. 40 seconds left till the close. 8 seconds left. Well, you will at least survive the opening. But let's see. The 4 hour candles look bearish, but it's very far, very high time frame. Let's look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour has also closed bearish, and our SL has been hit. Why hasn't it been tripped? It has been tripped now. So this will be it. I'm gonna wait and see if I find second trade. I allow myself 2 trades. Still seems to be pumping a little. I'm gonna wait and see if I find a second trade. The 1 hour and 4 hour have closed bearish. I'm still gonna be looking to sell. Perhaps I sold too early. I should have waited for the 1 hour and 4 hour close. I also repeated my mistake. I think it was Friday. I did this mistake last Friday too. So now I'm gonna have to wait. In the 15 minutes, it has taken a lot of this sell side liquidity, but prices have been pumping from a long time. Plus, this gap is still open. Expect it to go there. Higher time frame still shows bearish momentum. I got caught in the gyrating. But let's wait and see, we might be wrong. It's a game of probabilities after all. Let's wait for that. How much lost did we incur? Oh, we're still in profit. We will be ending the month on break even. This month I didn't do much live streams. Took more trades in my funded account. It's up 4%. I didn't share my all of my trades. Hopefully in the month of July I will be live streaming consistently. Price seems a little slow now. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. I ideally would like to take a sell below this previous day high. It probably breaks below this low and gives me a bearish FEG with momentum. Seems like I will get what I want, but will my TP be? If it price breaks through here, we could go long, but honestly, a long is more risky. So even if a price gives me a buy setup, I wouldn't be will know. Bias matters a lot. I still expect price to go lower according to the higher time frames too. As you can see, this 1 or 4 and 1 or I expect price to dig deeper and then maybe it can go up. So let's wait and see. As you can see, price seems to be pumping. There's a tiny gap over here too, but the new big opening gap is the more important one, as you can say. If price breaks through over here with momentum, it could go up there and then retrace maybe. But it's now we can't really say anything till price shows its hand, you can say. While taking a sell, I would really like to take a sell below this previous high. If price breaks through that with momentum, this one and this one too, and then gives me a bearish FEG, I would love to see it. Price seems to be stuck in this area from 587 till here. Here is the price gonna break through from. Let's go, man. Come on. Seems to be digging into this 15-minute FEG. Let's stop there. Need to keep going. As you can see, it's gonna break upwards now. I still don't want to sell. I think a sell is still more dangerous than a buy. The 1 hour price did go down, took a little liquidity, also tapped into these FGs. But I would expect a retracement deeper into that because price has been giving us near highs without retracements for a few days now, as you can see here. It hasn't even touched this here. Hasn't retraced at all. Still would really not like to buy. I might miss out, but that's fine with me. Let's wait for it. This might be a long session today because the price keeps pumping. We could expect a sell around 1050, 1045. The 15-minute candle is close. It's gonna close in 1 minute. Let's see. Out of the 15-minute candle. To be honest, it kind of closed bearish, bullish, but not very bullish. Could still go down, kind of a decision plus bullish. As I said, I would like to sell below the previous high. Above that could be a fake out. But if keeps price wants to keep pumping, can go till here 656. Probably take this high to 666. Maybe. We're just gonna wait it out. Most of trading is waiting. Probably should have thought about it in the start. But let's see if we can find another trade today. Seems to be crashing down a little. Pivot but I would like to see more momentum before I take a sell. As you can see, it seems to be retracing back a little. I don't really trust this. I want to see at least this high broken before I take a sell. I might miss the trade, but that's okay. Better be safe than sorry. Price honestly is very slow. Like, come on, man. Since the moment 9:45, it has been stuck in this range, from here to here, between this 300 to 400 range. Really seems to be doing anything. Price seems stuck. If price keeps stuck in this range, we can expect a move later around the end. New price has broken this low and this low. It also has made a bearish FVG, but I don't trust it because price has been doing this for a while. It will need to go down here with momentum, and then I will think of selling. As I've told you before, I don't like to take a trade between 10:30 to 10:45. There's a lot of unexpectedness between that time frame. You can also look in your charts within those 15 minutes. There are all mostly there are fake outs in that time frame. So I would recommend not trading in those time frames until the trade is like A plus setup. Okay, price seems to be crashing now. It might give me what I want. And then I'm gonna sell. But I'm still gonna wait for it. Still gonna be waiting for it. Let's see. If this candlesticks have a very bearish close, I'm gonna sell. Okay, I've sold now. this will be my SL. Since we have also taken a loss, I will keep my SL tight and keep my TP. I'm just, should I take the full one? Full tilt here. Let's just do it. Seems to be going against my position. If this hits my SL, I'm gonna call it a day. Let's wait and see. A strong, thick red candle, but it has been engulfed with this next candle. Still gonna be holding it. My risk is very small, only about 0.6%. To be honest, I don't like this gyrating. Let's just wait for it. I put myself very tight right now because there is no reason to take a big risk. I want to see some momentum right now. Price seems to be, as you can say, consolidating. It hasn't done pretty much anything since the market opened. Let's look at how does the 15-minute candle close. I would prefer a close below this previous day high. Let's see if I can get what I wish for. Maybe OSL will get hit before that. Come on, man, just crash. Whoa, OSL has been hit. So, okay, it was just a small trade. I'll call it a day. That's it for me. Shouldn't be over trading now. Price seems to be just stuck. Probably should wait it out. I'm gonna end the stream now. Until I see you next time. Take care.